Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope so you all are going great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video in which we will again learn something new about maths as we are going through maths. I hope so you all are going great and you are enjoying my lectures. First of all, I would want you all to see all of my previous lectures, then see this video and like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon to get the notifications of my other videos and lectures. And also tell me in comment box or on any of my videos that what type of lecture on English, Urdu, Math, Science you want, and I will go through that one soon, inshallah. Let's start our today's lecture without wasting any of our time. Today basically we will learn introduction to angles and its type. Yesterday we learned about geometry, that in that we'll get about geometry, line segment, line, rays, point, parallel lines, intersecting lines, that are non-parallel lines. We get cleared with all of these type of concepts. Today we will learn about angles, what is an angle, and we'll learn about its types. So we'll start our daily class by reciting the dua for knowledge. You must recite it with me. Rabbi zidni ilma, ऐ मेरे परवरदिगार मेरे इल्म में इजाफा कर. Oh my Lord, increase me in knowledge. Angle. So basically, what is an angle? When angle comes in your mind, what is basically an angle? The amount of turn between two rays is called an angle. So whenever there would be a turn in which we will have two rays, I tell you, one point is the meeting point and other has a, like, one is a bit represented with a dot, other with an arrow, that it means it goes so go on. So same happens in an angle. So there are two rays, when they join together, that makes an angle. Here if you look over here, you can see this is one ray because this point and this ray, and then this point again it's making another ray. That means this is an angle because two rays are joined with one point, that is the vertex. So they are joined with one vertex, so they are called an angle. So this is basically an angle. So if there would be any amount of turn between two rays, that would be approximately an angle. The meeting point of two rays is called a vertex. So here you can see this dot, the vertex is always represented with a dot and it plays a very important role. If we fix the composition of a VD or protector, we must point it towards in the right direction on the vertex, otherwise we will get the wrong results. So vertex plays a very important role in an angle. The two rays are called the arms of the angle. So arms, as you know, we also have arms that handle the body. So basically the vertex is handled by these arms, these two arms. So basically what we will say to them, arms. Here you see, here this is ray 1 and this is ray 2, and here when they get joined, this is the vertex, they get joined with the vertex, these arms, and the amount of turn that they cover is this much. Okay, so the unit for measuring angle is degree. So if we have to measure the angle, we use the word degree, and symbol of degree, like if I write 70 and I put a degree sign on its head, like we put point sign on the head. Okay, formation of an angle, ray or arm, AO or AO, like if I have to do this. So first of all, name of angle. What is my angle name? Angle O or angle AOB or angle BOA. They all give me the names. My vertex would be O, okay, because it's in the middle, and the first ray would be A and second would be B. I will make the angle with using my protector or D. Okay, with the help of protector or D, we will first of all, you must notice that if we are moving it towards the right side, so we will use the inner one, we will use the inner scale. If we're moving it towards the left side, we will use the outer scale. Clear? So here we are moving towards right, so we'll move the inner scale, okay, while moving okay. So here you can see this, when they join together, this is the amount of turn which occurs. So ray or arm B OB or ray OB. Okay, so here You can see such examples in which we use ray here. If you see as this net, two rays are joined together. Here if you see at the clock, this is a vertex, this is one ray and this is second ray. Here if you see, if you clearly see again, here a vertex point is mated because it's one half, it's one ray and it's second ray. And then the Caesar again, this is one ray and this is the second one. So activity for the given figure, fill in the blanks. So here the Q and O, P is the ray and O is the vertex. So the vertex, it's O, it's the meeting point, rear arms, OP, OQ. Okay, first of all it's very important to write the vertex OP because it's one ray, OP, and second is OQ. And then on their heads we have to make a ray. Nav of angle, so angle O, angle POQ or angle QOP. And remember we have to put, if we are writing three digital, so we have to put a vertex in the middle. Type of angle, it's an acute angle. Why? Because it is less than 90 degree. That we'll learn. That is in the top. Fill in the blanks by looking at the given figure B. So here basically B is the vertex. Right angle, type of angle. Angle ABC, that means the name of the angle. BA ray and BC ray, rays of the angle. Measurement of angle, that is 90 degree because it's exactly 90 degree. Types of angles. Now we are on types of angle. We learn what are the types of angles. So very first angle is a right angle. What is a right angle? By listening the word right, it comes in our mind that it is straight. It's right. So the amount of turn between its two rays is 90 degree. If we do it in the inner scale or outer scale, we get the same 90 degree. Its shape is like this. If you are moving it towards outer scale, towards right side, and when we are moving towards the left side, so 90 degree. It's the same, but their shape, sides are changed only. You can see in a clock when it's exactly 2 to 3 or 2 to meeting. So here we have this type of line. Here you see this until here, this, and here if you see it have four corners, we have two rays or four basically here right angles are made. So then we have an acute angle. Acute angle, basically it's acute, that makes us know the word small. So the amount of time between its two rays is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. So you can see this is an acute angle. It's not exactly a 90 degree that it would be a right angle, it's less than 90 degree. Here it's an acute, here it is an acute, here it's lapped up in an acute, and here it's an acute angle just. Okay. So then we have a straight angle. Basically straight angle is the amount of time between its two rays is 80 degree, because if you look at your D, the both D's, their ending point is 180 degree. So whenever we represent a straight angle, we will say it's 180 degree. Here it's a straight angle, straight angle, straight angle. Okay, it's very easy. Obtuse angle, basically the amount of time between its two rays is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. It's not exactly 180 degree, it's less than 180 degree but more than 90 degree. So it's an obtuse angle, it's an obtuse angle, it is an obtuse angle, it is an obtuse, and this is also an obtuse angle. 0 degree angle, basically 0 represents that there is no amount of time between rays, it always remains 0. The surface of the earth is based to everything and everyone, to it considers as a reference light of 0 angle. So earth is also a 0 angle because it has no amount of time between it. Complete angle, by knowing the word complete, it means it's all. So the complete angle, where the amount of time between its two rays is 360 degree. Okay, here this is a complete angle. We can say earth is also a complete angle, and any round thing, that would be a complete angle. So what we learned, what are the types of angles? There are basically 7 types of angles, but we are concerned with 6 types of angles. I will tell you about the 7 type of angle each one, but that's not included. Acute angle, which is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, or is exactly 89 degree. Right angle, it's exactly 90 degree. Obtuse angle, it is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Straight angle, it's exactly 180 degree. Complete angle is exactly 360 degree, that's the complete angle. 0 degree angle, which has no amount of turn. Okay, it's 0. Classify the following angles in acute, obtuse, right and straight angle. 25 degree, of course, it's more than 0 but less than 90, so it's acute angle. 180 degrees, exactly 180, so it's straight angle. 90 degree basically, it's exactly 90, so it's right angle. 122 degree, it's more than 90 but less than 180, so it's obtuse angle. Here if you see degree, how it's represented at their head, it's represented at the side. So this is how you can represent degree. Label the given angle from the name of angle N. Okay, wait. Here you see this would be N, L and M. Okay, then it's your turn. Select the correct option. What's the measurement of complete angle? So always know this: 180 degree straight angle, 360 degree basically is a complete angle. 0 degrees are 0. Let's say 0 angle, degree angle. Which one is the example of complete angle? Rotation of earth, open book, small piece of cake. So rotation of earth basically. What's the name of this angle? Here QOP, so it would be angle POQ. It can't be angle OQP because I tell you that this vertex cannot come at the first. These both are wrong. Middle one is correct because vertex in the middle. So this is very important to know. What's the meeting point of two rays? Point O, because it's the vertex. Okay. What's the vertex of this angle? Y, exactly, point Y. What's the type of angle? So here it is obtuse angle because it's more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. What are the name of rays in this angle? So YX and YZ ray, because XY it can't be and ZY can't be. When we are writing the rays, the vertex will come at first while expressing the rays. Okay, but while writing the names, vertex come in the middle. For the given figure, fill in the blanks. Types of angle. Okay, vertex sets 0, razor arms OP and OQ ray. Name of angle, angle O, angle POQ or angle QOP. Fill in the blanks by looking at the given figure. So here the vertex is O, type of angle is right angle, exactly 90 degree. Name of angle is angle AOB or angle BOA or angle O. So here mentioning angle is important, and you see my vertex is again the middle. Vertex itself can be a name of the angle only. So razor arms OA and ray and OB and ray. So here you see by writing razor arms I wrote vertex part, by writing name of angle I wrote the vertex in the middle and I put the angle, while in the razor arms I just make a ray on its head. Match each type of angle with respective figure. So first of all is acute angle. Here we see 62 degrees, so an acute angle. Straight angle, it's exactly 180 degrees, so it's a straight angle. Complete angle, it's exactly 360 degree and this circle sign is put in, so it's true. And complete angle, 0 degree angle, here 0 is written, so it's a 0 degree angle. Obtuse angle, basically it's 135 degrees, so it's an obtuse angle. Right angle, basically it's exactly 90 degrees, so it's a right angle. Okay, write types of angles in their given figure. So angle AOB, AO and B is a dash angle, like it's a straight and its measurement is 180 degree. Okay, angle AOY is an obtuse angle. Look, in this way they are obtuse. And angle ZO and X, it's an acute angle. There, if you do the phone rotate, you will see that it's the less than 90 degree. Angle X O and P, angle X O and P, it's a right angle and its measurement is 90 degree. Metacolumn, right angle. So here right angle it's not mentioned, but its measurement is all 90 degree. Vertex, it's the meeting point of two rays of an angle. Measure of angle is 360 degree, that's in complete angle. Angle between 0 degree and 90 degree is an acute angle. Measure of angle 180 degrees straight angle. Amount of turn between two rays greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, that's an obtuse angle. So guys, I hope so you like today's video and lecture. See you in the next lecture. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.